College Incorporated adunay senior high school, nag-a-offer sila ng kadayang strand. Sama sa accountancy, business, and management strand, general academic strand, humanities and social sciences strand, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics strand, o technical vocational livelihood track, nga adunay strands nga industrial arts, home economics, information and communication technology, o agri-fishery arts. Pa-enroll na!
In ASUS Polytechnic College Incorporated, we provide students with easy-to-access information, accelerated learning, and fun opportunities to practice what they learn in Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. It will allow you to expand your career in any different ways as web developer, analyst, cybersecurity analyst, data scientist, IT consultant, system, database, and network administrator, software developer, programmers, and many more. There's no time to lose. Enroll now at ASUS Polytechnic College Incorporated, giving more for the less.
If you want to develop new skills offered by TESDA, the ASUS Polytechnic College Incorporated is the perfect place for you. We are an accredited TESDA training center.
And we give you housekeeping NC2 and NC3,
Front office services NC2,
bookkeeping NC3,
food and beverage services NC2 and NC3,
bread and pastry production NC2,
cookery NC2,
bartending NC2,
computer system servicing NC2,
visual graphics NC2,
electrical installations and maintenance NC2,
automotive servicing NC2,
driving NC2,
agricultural machinery operations NC2,
rice machinery operations NC2,
agricultural crops production NC2 and NC3,
organic agriculture production NC2,
agro-entrepreneurship NC2,
animal production poultry chicken NC2,
animal production swine NC2.
and pest management NC2.
Here at ASUS, we want you to ace. Enroll now at ASUS Polytechnic College Incorporated, giving more for the less. Criminology.
Ay, maano eh! Daghan di kasunod trabaho ang criminology, Madi. Labi na nag-graduate ka sa ASUS Polytechnic College. Pwede sa law enforcement, public safety, o security management.
O sige, law enforcement, uy.
Kalaban sa BJMP, sa PNP, sa BFP, o sa... O sa nang isa?
Mauna, di ko mag-advertise na i-copy.
Yes, of course!
Dasa! Iya, mo na itong istoryahan mo. Ato na ko kay, paano sa Cindy ba? Nagpaabot sa ako ah.
Kamalo ko. Seryoso ko na yung utang.
Ay, uy. Mato na jud ko. Bye!
Balik
Número 21, Rasgo.